For your math skill practice today, we're going to practice writing numbers in standard form, model form, and expanded form. How this works is you're going to roll it, make it, and then expand it. Now, if you have dice at your house, you would only need one die. And how that would work is you would roll it and then write down the number in the place value. Now, if you do not have a die at home, we have virtual die right here. And I'm going to show you how to use it at the same time as doing your activity, and we'll do the first one together. So first you'll need to make sure that you are clicking on the select or move tool, and then you'll click on the link. Now yours will take you to the website. Mine is on my teacher iPad, so it looks a little bit different. And it will open up this Google Doc. And it'll look something like this. How this works is you just click roll and it'll give you a number, just kind of like how a dice would roll. A dice would have a dot to indicate the number on the side. If there's 3 dots, that would make it the digit 3. And this is how you use the rolling tool. Now, here is how you get both of them to work at the same time. If you slowly swipe up, hold your Safari, because that's where it'll be, and drag it up to the corner, you'll see this rectangle, and you can release it. Now it might look really small on the side, so you'll have to use 2 fingers and zoom in so you can see the dice and the word roll. That's all you need to see. And then we can go ahead and begin our assignment. So I'm going to click roll. It's going to give me a number, and I'll write it down for my thousands place. I need 4 numbers because there's 4 place values that I need to fill. Next one was a 2, so I'll write that in my hundreds. A 1, I'll write that in my tens. And a 5, I'll write that in my ones. Then I can get rid of this if I want to by clicking the little line at the top and sliding it to the side. And then I can make it and expand it. So that means I need to write 5 thousands blocks, and I can zoom in as much as I need to so I have enough space. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I can go to my hundreds place. There are 2 hundreds that I need to draw. 1, 2. And how I'm moving back and forth and expanding in and out, I'm using 2 fingers to do that. Now I'm in my tens place, and I need to draw 1 tens bar, and there are 5 in my ones, and we use circles for our ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've made it in model form. Now I need to expand it, Remember, expanded form shows the form, the value of each digit. So I'm going to start in my thousands place. There is 5 in my thousands place. So I'm going to zoom in, write 5,000. Now I notice up here that they forgot to put their comma, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that. Remember to have a comma after your thousands place. Now we're in our hundreds place, and I have 200 in my hundreds place. 200. Now we're in our tens, and they have 110. And in my ones place, I have 5. I'll zoom in and write 5. Finally, I'll have to make this back into my standard form. My thousands place, I have a 5. Hundreds, I have a 2. Tens, I have a 1. And ones, I have a 5. So that's how you complete this. Make it, roll it, expand it. If you go on to the next one and you need to use your dice again, you can slowly swipe up, click and hold your Safari, and drag it up so then you have your dice again.